Hello again to Math Simplified. Today we're going to update a solution for this very nice Olympiad exponential equation. So let's look at it together. We are told that solve for x, given the equation 9 to the power of x minus x to the power of 4 equals to 65. Okay, so 9 to the power of x, I can rewrite that as 3 to the power of 2 or to the power of x minus x to the power of 4, I can rewrite as x to the power of 2 to the power of 2 equals to 65 can be written as the product of 13 times 5. Okay, so this can be written also as 3 to the power of x squared minus x squared to the power of 2 equals to 13 times 5. At this point, I notice that this is the difference of two squares. So whenever we have a squared minus b squared, it is always equal to the product of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so difference of two squares. So what I have here will be my a, and what I have in this bracket becomes my b. So applying the difference of two square products, this becomes 3 raised to power x plus x squared and 3 raised to power x minus x squared equals to 13 times 5. Moving on to this other side, I can say, since we can see that the product of two things at this point is equal to the product of two things at this other side, we can therefore write or conclude by saying 3 raised to power x plus x squared is equal to 13. 1, this is the first equation. And I can also say 3 raised to power x minus x squared is equal to 5. Okay, so the reason why I'm taking this step is because since this is adding, okay, so it should result to a greater number. So that's why I'm doing it is 13. And since there is subtraction at this point, that means it should be equal to this lesser number, that is 5. Okay, so given these two equations, I can just simply add or subtract. So let me add. So if I add these two equations, this becomes 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. Okay, so you are adding the same thing twice. So it will be 2 times that value. So it will be 2 of 3 raised to power x. Okay, by the time I add at this point, s squared plus minus s squared, it will eliminate at that point. And it will be equal to, also adding at this point, 13 plus 5 gives me 18. Okay, so I can divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2 is 3 raised to power x is equal to 9. And of course, I can express 9 as 3 raised to power 2. So 3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 2. Since the base are the same, we can say equality holds for the exponents of the power. So implication is that x is equal to 2. And this gives me a value for x.